This is low melt. So I'm just adding low melt on the USB port to melt it down in order to get loose. I'm showing you how it's done here. As you see, it's getting loose. Pretty loose now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take my heat gun and I'm gonna blast it with maximum air at about 300 degrees. And maximum air at 60. So this is the port right here. And I'm just adding the heat here. Just showing you how it's done. It's almost coming out. I control the heat. I have it set at 346 and the air is 59. And if you see, it's falling out. This is falling right apart. There you go. It's out. All of it. I don't know if you can see this clearly or not, but it is out. This is a demonstration how to take out a USB port. And there's the port. Oops, it's so hot. Oops. See the port? It's out. Do you see the board? There's the board right here, and that's how you take it out. If you're going to be doing a USB ports replacement, you need a good heat gun. You need to spend at least minimum $500–600 for a good heat gun, and it'll get the job done. But you do need flux. This is Amtech flux right here. I'm using Amtech flux, and you need also low melt right here. This is low melt. I used a little bit, just a little bit here. And I did use a soldering gun. This is a soldering one. I got it at 400 degrees, and it works like a charm. So I hope you guys learned something. If you have a message, if you're asking me any questions about how this is done, what needs to be done, send me a message. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye.